Well, the scholarships that we've given out during Farm Tour have always gone to kids that grew up in an agricultural background. And being able to send these kids to college and get them educated helps them be better people. It helps them hopefully be better farmers one day, whether they're in livestock or whether they're row crop farmers. I mean, that college experience teaches them to be a better human being from top to bottom, and it's just been amazing being able to give scholarships out all of these years. Thanks for waking up with me on Rise Before Sunrise.